Just be aware of the breath within the body as you slowly breathe in and breathe out. Just bring that awareness into your being as you hear and feel and sense the essence of the water. Just feel it travelling into your being, purifying and cleansing your thoughts, your body as a whole. Just bring it into your universal being, up through your feet, coming up through your legs, your knees, your hips. Bringing that universal water and wealth, cleansing, purifying every cell as it comes up into the belly, round the organs, flushing the kidneys, the liver, bringing it up to the heart, sensing and feeling the heart energy, enjoying that purification of that cleansing water within you, bringing it all up into your neck, your throat, so whatever you say, see or feel that you want to say will be of truth and love to those around you. Just bring into your being the sense of well-being from the water coming up into your head, your crown. Just feel that energy, that warm energy coming up out through your crown, washing down through your auric field, so you feel all tingly as that water comes down through your auric field, back down to the earth, and you feel that connection with Mother Earth, feeling very grounded, very rooted, but also connecting to the elements of the earth, the element of the water, the sun energy bringing in the fire, the wood energy of the trees, every blade of grass that shines, bringing the element of the air that you breathe into your body, and the spirit of nature itself. Just feel that pulsing up through your feet, up through your body. And as you do that, imagine that you're going on a journey into time. If you can imagine yourself going along the river in a little boat, and as you travel along the river in this small boat, you imagine that when you get to your journey's end, you can get out of the boat and you can see a beautiful garden in front of you. A garden full of flowers, whether it be lavender, rosemary, tulips, buttercups. Every flower that you can imagine. You can see the beautiful colours, the yellows, the pinks, the reds, the oranges, the purples, the whites and the blues, the beautiful hues and the smells that are coming forth. And as you walk into this garden, you feel and sense the energy around you is warm and glowing. As you walk into the garden, you can find yourself a place to sit, a place that you feel warm and glowing. And you see in front of you a wooden bench. It seems as though it's been put there just for you. It's been carved out of an old log. And you can feel the energy of it so smooth as you sit yourself down. You feel the energy of the wood, the tree that it once was, feeling strong, giving you that love and support as you sit there. As you sit there, you can feel the energy around you change again. As you feel like you have somebody with you. And as you feel somebody with you, you can feel that it's a guide, a guardian, an angel, somebody who has a message of what you need to know in your life today. Know that you can feel that well-being from this person, this being, this light being of wonderment. And as you ask them in your own words what you'd like to know, what is the truth of what you'd like to know today in your being, what is there that you need to follow through on your journey in life, like the river. Be on your true journey, your pathway. It's now for you to make that change, like the water can make its change. You can change your path, change your direction. Ask now, what is your path? What is your direction going to take you? As you just sit there for a few moments with that being, I'll leave you there with the quietness of the water. As you receive your message, a message that will help you on your journey, today, take it into your heart and thank your guardian, your angel, the higher being for being with you. And as you leave that beautiful garden, you know that you can come back there any time you like. And you leave the log, the seat that's been carved out of that wood. You know that you can come back and sit there any time you like and feel the strength and the energy and the support it gives you. And as you get up to go, you can sense the smells of the flowers and the colours around you. And you take those colours into your well-being for wherever you need it within your chakras at this time. Whether it be in your throat to speak, whether it be in your heart for love, whether it be in the sacral for the well-being and the healthness and wellness of you, whether it be in the solar plexus for the relationships with those around you, or whether it be in the root where you need more grounding. Just bring that energy into your well-being now, and knowing that when you bring that energy back with you, it will stay with you within your body as you feel that energy coming back with you, as you travel back in your boat. As you leave the garden, you step into the boat, and you travel back on that little boat, back downstream, and you feel safe, secure, knowing that all is well. All is well in your life today and every day. You know the messages you received are true for you today and always. Take that into your being, and now you can get out of your boat and come back into the room and open your eyes and know all is well. All is well with you.